Morning class. We'll start a new chapter after the second unit test. We will start that chapter 39, that is natural disasters. So what disasters, you know, already you have learned this all in geography, isn't it? So some names of that disasters from different part and different natural disasters names are given. You have to just find out. Okay, so as a short note you will learn. Clear? So first one you see, a violent storm of small extent with whirling winds. By the picture you can see. So what should be the name? The name is tornado. Okay, number one, the name is tornado. Clear? Second you see, it's a kind of storm with a violent wind. Most of them form over tropical oceans and die out over land. What are those? Is known as hurricane. It's a kind of natural disaster, we know. Clear? It is hurricane or hurricane you can say. Then number three you see, it's a system of winds rotating inward to an area of a low barometric pressure or depression. Which kind of natural disaster it is? It is known as typhoon. Clear? It is known as typhoon. Number four you see, a violent storm of wind with dry, driving snow and extreme cold. It is common in the polar regions. It can be cyclones. Okay. It can be polar vortex. Whatever you know, you can write here. First one, cyclone is the easy one. Okay, generally we are telling them as cyclones. Otherwise, polar vortex also you can write here. Number five, you see, it's a movement in a sudden violent shaking of the earth crust. We know it is known as earthquake. It is known as earthquake. Clear? It is known as earthquake. Number five. Number six, you see, a long high sea wave caused by an underwater earthquake or other disturbance is known as tsunami. Okay, violent storm that one in the sea level is known as tsunami. Clear? Is known as tsunami. So these are the names of the natural disasters. Little bit information about them has given already. So with that you will prepare a short note on that. Clear? And learn it like. And in the fact corner you see, the scale to measure wind speeds is called as the Beaufort scale. What is the name of the scale to which the wind speeds can be measurable? Like that short question you have to write here and you have to learn what is the name. That is Beaufort scale. Clear? Another thing you see, in the thunderstorm, the lightning and thunder both we can see. See, we can see the lightning first, then the sound of the thunder we can hear. Why? Because the reason is that light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound. This is general physics. Okay. So, these fact corners including with the chapter also you have to prepare. So, short note on those natural disaster you will write, you will learn, and including with that two questions you will prepare there. The name of measuring scale, name of the wind speed, and another one, what is the reason that first we can see then we can hear? Because light travels faster than sound. That is only the reason. Okay, these two short questions including with that you will prepare. Okay, so just do this chapter. Till then, thank you class.